Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for being here. You know it's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to stuff the first week of August savings challenges. I do them on alternate weeks. Last week was the mini money matters, and this week is my 100 envelopes and also these two binders. I have got £140 to stuff. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's what I have today to stuff, and I will start with my I'll start with these ones first. This one. Let me start with this one. What have I got in here? This is pretty empty. Actually, I'm going to start with my August one. Yeah, I think it's better that I start with my August one. And for the big icon, I usually do £20, and for the small ones, they're £5 each. Get these out. So that's £20. And I will get colouring and meet you back in a minute. That was nice. That was really nice. I like that. So that's £20. So we're off to a great start for August, and then the 52 weeks I will be putting 15 into here. Then for the Save 2023 in 2023, I've been leaving this out for a few weeks now because whatever challenges that I complete, I'm going to use it to put into this challenge. And that's that. Then I have my cards. Get those out. I've got the 2020 and the cards. Here I have okay, I will just pull. That's 5 of diamonds and 9 of diamonds. Okay, that's £14. I'll put 15 in. And this one is £700 on completion for £20 each time I save, and I will just mark that out. Okay, and then we've got the big roll the dice. 2 blues today. Actually, I'll do purples, favourite colour. And I think this is the blue, I think. So that's 4 and 3, that's 7. Just bring the calculator here. That's 7 so far. 4 and 3. Roll again. 4 and 2, that's 6. 4 and 2, here's a 4. So that's £13, and I'll just put 15 for that. Then I have my 100 envelopes, and I will choose a yellow and green. Going to roll the dice. Roll the dice and count whatever number comes up. I'll just count the envelopes and stuff what the number is on the envelope. So that's 6, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 20. Okay. And we roll again. That's 5 and a 6, that's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Another £20. There we go, and they will just go to the back here because I've got the board here to separate them. So that's that for this week, and let's see what we've got. We've got £15 rollover, and I'm going to use that for sinking funds. I think that's what I'm going to use it for. And that's it for another week. I am looking for some new savings challenges, so I'm on the prowl for those. I love this sticker. I got this from She's on a Budget, and it says budgeting is not about limiting yourself, It's about making things that excite you possible. I love it. And this excites me so much, and I make it possible. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.